In SpectroFlo software versions 2.0 and later, there's a batch analysis feature that was added to the software. You can use this feature to batch process data that was recorded in tubes or in plates, it doesn't matter. To use the feature, all you do is come into your experiment, make sure you have a worksheet that has a statistics table that you want to batch analyze, or a worksheet that you want to batch analyze to PDFs. Once you have that ready, go ahead and right-click on a group in the experiment. In the menu that appears, go down to where it says Batch Analysis and click once. That'll open the Batch Analysis menu. You can see on the left it has everything in the group I selected, the reference group, displayed in the Batch Analysis list. Over on the right, I need to choose which statistics table I want to use for my batch analysis. In this worksheet that I am pointed to right now, the default unmixed worksheet, I only have one table, so that's what it's selecting. I can choose to output a PDF of the worksheet or a CSV file of the statistics, and I can also set the location to store those files by clicking this little hard drive icon to the right of the path length. Right now it's going to my desktop. I'm going to save it as is for both of them. For the analysis controls, you can choose to go manually through the files one by one, or you can go automatically. If you want some preview time between files, you can just slide this bar to the right, however many seconds you'd like to preview the file before it goes to the next file. For me, I'm going to keep it at 0 seconds, so it goes really fast. Then once you click Start, the batch analysis process begins. You can see this green arrow moves through the files, and when everything's done, this progress bar at the bottom shows 100%. You can open the CSV, the file that you exported, or you can open the PDFs. Let's go ahead and click those and see what they look like. If I open the CSV, you can see here's what it looks like. I've got my 4 tubes in my reference group down the side here, and all the information from my stats table is organized across columns in the CSV file. I'm going to close this and open the PDF. And you can see it's a PDF output of the worksheet that I created. If I want to go to the next group, again I can right-click, select Batch Analysis, and now my list has updated to the multicolor tube files, and similar story here. If you want to do every file in the experiment, go ahead and do a Shift Select to highlight everything, right-click, select Batch Analysis, and now you can see all of the groups in the experiment up here in that list.